everyone, this is Becca Young, Student Success Coach from the Student Success Resource Center at the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. So today we're going to talk about one of the most important academic resources that you're going to need during your time here at UNC, and that is the Academic Catalog. So the catalog holds all the detailed information that you need to know about your major, minors, or even a certificate if you pick up one, as well as any of the academic policies and procedures. Now, we're not going to cover every single major or policy or procedure. It's just way too much. But what I'm going to show you today is how to find the catalog, navigate the catalog, and find the information that you need when you need it. So let's get started. To find the academic catalog, you're going to go to the official UNC website, which is unco.edu. From the page, you're going to go to Academics, go down to Catalog, and click on that. This is going to get you to the catalog landing page, and there might be a few things that you notice right off the bat, that there are multiple catalogs per each academic year, and then also there's multiple catalogs per year. So the one that you're going to be in is the Undergraduate Catalog. So it's extremely important that if you're looking up the requirements for your major, minor, or any certificates that you have, that you go to the academic catalog year that you started. Now, when it comes to academic policies and procedures, it is always based on the current academic catalog. Let's go ahead and dive in and learn how to navigate it. So I went into this year, or the upcoming year, fall 2020 and spring 21 catalog. Now, when you're looking at the catalog, the table of contents is going to be on your right, and it gives you different headings that you can dive in a little bit further to learn a little bit more about it. So we're going to dive into just a couple of them to kind of give you a little idea of what's in there and how to navigate that a little bit better. So the first place I want to start with is the undergraduate information and policies. So if you click the arrow, it's actually going to expand it so you can take a look at all the information that you need to know. So if you're looking at admissions, gives you admissions policy, if you're an international student, what their policies are as well. If you'd like to close that, just click the arrow one more time. So if you're wanting to know a little bit more about registration, it gives you some more information about that as well. And you can dive into all this information. As you can see, there's lots of different information for that. So a common one that students go to is withdrawal from classes. So if you click in here, it gives you all the specific information that you need to know if you needed to withdraw for a class for whatever reason. It happens, so we want to put that policy and have it available for you. So the next spot I want to jump into is look at the different colleges. So for the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, you can get some information on how to contact the Office of the Dean if you want to learn a little bit more about the policy procedures and majors within a certain department, such as anthropology or economics, journalism, philosophy. You can click into there and find out some more information. Now scrolling down, if you go to the undergraduate programs, this has a wealth of information for you if you're wanting to know a little bit more about the specifics about your major, minor, or certificate. Now keep in mind, again, you always want to go to the catalog year so you get the correct information as it pertains to your academics. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the different bachelor's degrees, you expand this, you can see every single bachelor's degree that we have here at the university. So let's jump into criminology and criminal justice. So it gives you all the information again about the details about this major. So it lets you know what the program consists of, gives you the description, it gives you specific notes. Some majors, such as if you're looking to get a minor in business administration, there are certain GPA requirements. Sometimes you have to apply for the program. All that information is going to be in this section here. Now, if you want to dive into the actual major, it lets you know the specific courses that you need to know, have for that major. So if you want to learn a little bit more, let's say about victim studies, and you want to know what this class is about, you can actually click on the course information, and it will expand and give you the course description, how many credits, and any prerequisites that are required for this as well. And then we're going to jump into course descriptions. Now, this is a place that I highly recommend all students just kind of dive in and look around and see what kind of courses we have. Some students don't realize you could take a badminton course or a rock climbing course, things like that. So there's a lot of things in here that you may not even realize that we have as well. And this is also a really great place to pop in right before registration to look at course descriptions, look at prerequisites and things like that. Now, of course, if you have any additional questions, please come to the Student Success Resource Center, talk with me or one of the other coaches. We're here to help you in any way possible. But until then, take care.